Hello everyone, wishing you a day filled with energy and vitality. Today, we have an inspiring story to share with you. We will take a closer look at the journey of Anna, a woman of incredible resilience and resourcefulness who lives in China. Despite the challenges she faced, Anna persevered to create a multifunctional chicken coop, designing her own 3-in-1 chicken coop. With incredible practical skills and a determined spirit, she built it from scratch, handling everything from sourcing materials to construction herself. Let's learn about her incredible progress and the dedication she has shown to her farm. Anna's chicken coop isn't just any ordinary coop. It's a testament to her vision and meticulous planning. She's using palm tree trunks as the frame, chosen for their strength and durability, and wooden planks for structure. Inside, the coop has 3 main compartments. A spacious area for adult chickens to roam freely, a cozy section for baby chicks to grow safely, and an elevated section that will serve as a private, secure space for her laying hens. Each detail is carefully thought out to ensure that every chicken has a comfortable environment that meets their needs, showing Anna's deep care and love for her animals. But amid these achievements, Anna's farm is facing a major setback, an unexpected disease outbreak. She's unsure where the infection originated, but she's tackling it with a calm determination. The symptoms appeared first in her laying hens, who developed high fevers and a noticeable loss of appetite. Shortly after, the baby chicks began to show similar symptoms. Despite her efforts, including providing electrolytes and antibiotics, the recovery has been slow. The situation is tense, but Anna remains as resilient as ever, committed to doing everything possible to protect her flock. Recently, the weather has been erratic, with unusually high temperatures and unpredictable rain showers, which may have contributed to the disease outbreak. Anna, ever the problem solver, tried mixing garlic into her chicken's feed, hoping it might boost their immunity. Unfortunately, this remedy hasn't had much effect, and she's looking for advice and alternative approaches. If any of you have experience with poultry health or tips for preventing diseases on the farm, Anna would deeply appreciate your input. Every idea could make a difference as she continues to battle this outbreak with all her strength. The situation has been challenging, and Anna has already lost a number of laying hens. To contain the spread, she's been taking quick action by culling infected birds and disinfecting their areas with lime powder, which helps to neutralize the bacteria and viruses. With her hard work and attention to detail, she's doing everything she can to protect her remaining chickens. The new coop, when complete, will be a safe haven for the healthy flock, ensuring they can live in a clean, protected environment. Her new coop design is thoughtfully structured, keeping the comfort and health of her chickens at the forefront. In summer, it's ventilated enough to stay cool, while in winter, it will offer a warm and cozy retreat. Anna also has plans to create a separate incubation area. This space will reduce the stress on mother hens, giving them room to lay eggs without competition, which should improve the hatching success rate. This dedicated section for hatching will also help her keep a better record of the eggs, minimizing the chances of them being broken in the jostle of daily life. Around the perimeter, Anna's taken the precaution of adding reinforced edges, providing a strong defense against predators like foxes, mice, and even snakes that might lurk around. She knows the importance of a secure shelter, especially during unpredictable times. Each sleeping area within the coop has been planned down to the last detail for her chickens and ducks, showing just how much Anna cares about their comfort. Beyond the coop, Anna's farm also has 3 honeybee hives, a gift from a friend. Though she's allergic to honey herself, she's excited to explore its many health benefits and the potential value these hives add to her farm. Her thoughtful approach and her willingness to learn new skills showcase her dedication to sustainable farming. Though honey isn't for her, Anna sees the greater purpose it serves for others. Once the coop is complete, she'll finish it with a corrugated iron roof to withstand the elements. The roof not only protects the animals from rain and harsh weather but also adds a sturdy, lasting cover for the coop structure. Inside, she's installing bulbs for lighting, and she's prepared heat lamps for rainy and cold winter days. Anna's foresight in preparing for all weather conditions speaks volumes about her experience and careful planning. Dealing with disease control and keeping the barn clean during stormy weather has been particularly challenging for her. Anna's already stocked up on essential medicines, including antibiotics, electrolytes, fever reducers, and anti-inflammatory drugs, ready to protect her poultry. Despite the hardships, Anna's optimistic that her hard work and preparation will help her flock overcome the current epidemic. Thank you for joining us today to celebrate Anna's journey. Her story is a reminder of the power of resilience, hard work, and compassion. We're grateful to be a part of her path and to support her during these trying times. Wishing you and your family's health, happiness, and inspiration from Anna's dedication. Stay tuned for more updates and a hopeful recovery on Quack Farm channel, where her determination and strength continue to shine. See you again in the next video.
What do you think about this issue? Please leave a comment below for everyone to know and discuss. Goodbye and see you again.